What's Epson ET-3850? The Epson ET-3850 is a wireless color all-in-one printer that uses a cartridge-free super tank system. It has a scanner, a copier, an auto document feeder, and an Ethernet connection. It is designed for home office use, as it can print high-quality documents, photos, and graphics. It also supports voice-activated printing and mobile printing. Some of the features and benefits of the Epson ET-3850 are, it uses high-capacity, refillable ink tanks that can save you up to 90% on replacement ink costs compared to ink cartridges. It includes up to 2 years of ink in the box, which is equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. It has a fast printing speed of up to 15.5 pages per minute for black and 12 pages per minute for color. It has a 250 sheet paper tray and a 30 sheet auto document feeder for convenient paper handling. It has a 2.4-inch color display that allows you to easily navigate the printer settings and functions. It has a high-resolution flatbed scanner that can scan up to 1200 x 2400 dpi. It supports wireless, Ethernet, and USB connectivity, as well as voice-activated printing with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. It supports mobile printing with the Epson Smart Panel app, Epson Connect, Apple AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print. The Epson ET-3850 is a versatile and economical printer that can meet your home office needs.